Want to turn off sound effects on Wordscape but don't know how? Hi everyone, welcome back to Make Gaming Easy. In this video, I'll show you some quick and easy steps on how to turn off sound effects on Wordscapes. So without any further ado, let's get started. Begin by clicking on the settings icon which is at the bottom right corner of your screen. Then tap on the sound button to turn it off. And that's how you can turn off sound effects on Wordscapes. Thank you for watching Make Gaming Easy. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss upcoming videos.